Mix it around.
Mix it around. Good job, Carly.
Yes.
You got the canvas, Mommy?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Whoop, I got it. Okay, put your hands in the black. Mix it around. Right here.
Whee!
Get some more black. Get some more black. Okay, stick it on there, quick.
Come over here by Mama, too.
Yeah.
Right here by Mommy. Come over here by Mommy.
Go by Mommy. There's more spots over there.
More spots. Right here. Look. See, reach your hands up there and grab that. Bring it down. There you go. That's perfect.
Good job.
Yeah, I like those lines.
Yay!
Those are good. Straight down. Straight down lines. Those are nice.
Good job.
I love it. Ooh, look at you. You're making some good stuff there.
Fun?
Yeah, this is fun.
You want to get some more black, Carly?
Ooh, how about black?
Let's get some more black. Put your hands in there. Talk about messy. You got Jackson Pollock in here.
Yeah, somebody.
Yeah. Oh, hey, that looks so cool. Love it.
Should we turn it over, Mommy?
I love it. Ooh, look at that. That's really cool. She's going to town.
Look at you go.
That's wild. Whoa, Neely.
Nilly.
You are doing it. Okay, let's flip it over some more. Why don't you flip it this way?
Okay, we're going to flip it this way now for you to do more.
Right there, that's good.
Okay, right there's good. That's the spot.
Awesome.
Yeah. How big of a video? How many minutes?
I don't know.
Look at you, Carly. I love it. I love it. Such good artist. Look at you go.
Cool. Do you think you need some in this spot?
I think we might need a little up there, Mom.
Okay. So I try to go
Okay.
this way?
Yeah. Actually, up completely around. Yeah, like that. Okay. So she can work over there now.
There you go. Come over here and work this area.
Wow, this is some thick paint over here.
Good stuff. It's
This
going
stuff?
to take a while to
Yeah.
dry. Oh, look, she got some white.
All right
Awesome.
then.
It makes gray when you put white.
That's true.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Keep painting.
You got a hold of it?
You almost done?
You got it?
I love this.
You got it?
This is so cool.
Okay.
Go ahead, stick it on there, quick.
Whee!
Put it on there.
Oh. Made gray.
Pretty.
You made gray.
All right. You want to get some more yellow? It's right there. Or you could drip it.
Look at all these great paintings. She's an artist at work working on 3 different projects at once. Where's your
I like
golden
this
son?
being able to